Today, I'm diving into Convertio, an online tool designed to make file conversion quick and hassle-free. The website boasts compatibility with over 300 different file formats, from documents and images to audio and video. At first glance, the interface is clean and straightforward, allowing users to upload files from their device, URL, Dropbox, or Google Drive. You can then select your desired output format and hit Convert. It's as simple as that. The free version of Convertio allows limited file conversions per day and imposes a size restriction of 100 megabytes per file. If you're dealing with smaller files or occasional conversions, this might be enough. But if you need batch conversions, higher file size limits, or priority processing, the premium plans are worth considering. Pricing for these plans is competitive, but may feel steep if you only need occasional use. One of the highlights of Convertio is its sheer versatility. You can convert PDFs to Word documents, images to different formats, audio files to various extensions, and even videos to optimized formats. The conversion process is generally fast, though it can slow down during peak hours or when dealing with large files. The quality of converted files is mostly excellent, but certain complex files may not retain their formatting perfectly. Security-wise, Convertio claims to delete all files within 24 hours of conversion, which is reassuring for privacy-focused users. However, if you're dealing with highly sensitive documents, you might prefer a downloadable software instead of an online tool. Ever got a file you just can't edit? Frustrating, right? Not anymore. Clipper makes editing, converting, and signing effortless in seconds. This and many other useful links you can find in the description. It's also worth noting that while Convertio offers excellent functionality for general file conversions, some of its competitors offer more advanced editing or compression features. If your needs are primarily around conversion, Convertio is definitely worth considering. But if you require additional features, like OCR or advanced editing tools, you might want to explore other options. Overall, Convertio is a solid, straightforward tool for converting various file types quickly. The free version is helpful for occasional users, while the premium plans provide a smoother experience for frequent users. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more honest reviews and tutorials.